How to fix Instagram chat not working. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to fix a problem of my Instagram chat not working. So it's so easy and quick. All you need to do first thing, go to your Play Store or Google Play and now write Instagram. Beside Instagram there is two choices: open or update. If you have open, then everything is fine. If you have update, you have to update your Instagram again. And go to your setting and go to your apps, go to manage apps and click on Instagram. Now click on clear data and clear cache. Clear your cache on Instagram. Now go to your Instagram, go to your profile, click on those three lines, click on setting and click on help. Now click on report a problem and click again on report a problem. Explain to team Instagram what is your problem. Click what's not working. Now all you need to do is write your feedback. My direct message or my chat isn't working. I can send message or I can't receive message, and you can take a screenshot to help you. It's gonna help you too much. And then leave them your message and they're gonna reply to you and resolve your problem. So this is it guys. Hope this video was helpful to you, and if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.